Crash course on Venezuelan musical traditions. Welcome to a crash course on the vibrant musical traditions of Venezuela, where rhythm and melody come alive. Let's delve into the diverse genres and influential music education program that have shaped the country's musical landscape. Venezuela is a nation that pulsates with rhythm, and its musical traditions reflect the fusion of indigenous, African, and European influences. From the lively beats of Joropo to the infectious rhythms of salsa, Venezuelan music offers a rich tapestry of sounds and styles. Let's explore some interesting stories and examples that will ignite your passion for Venezuelan music. 1. Joropo. This traditional Venezuelan music genre originated in the plains and is characterized by its fast-paced rhythms and the use of instruments like the cuatro, harp, and maracas. Joropo is deeply rooted in Venezuelan folklore and is often accompanied by traditional dances. 2. El Sistema. One of Venezuela's most notable contributions to the world of music is the El Sistema program. Founded by economist and musician José Antonio Abreu, El Sistema is a renowned music education initiative that provides free orchestral training to thousands of young Venezuelans, empowering them through music and nurturing their talent. 3. Salsa. While salsa is not exclusive to Venezuela, the country has embraced this genre with its own unique flavor. Venezuelan salsa musicians have made significant contributions to the genre, infusing it with elements of traditional Venezuelan music and creating a distinctive sound. 4. Serenata Guayanesa. This iconic folk music group from the Guayana region has been enchanting audiences for decades with their harmonies and lyrics that celebrate the natural beauty and cultural heritage of Venezuela. Now, let's move on to the top 12 attractions that celebrate Venezuela's musical traditions. 1. Teresa Carreño Cultural Complex. Named after the renowned Venezuelan pianist and composer, this cultural complex hosts a variety of musical events, including classical concerts, jazz performances, and folk music showcases. 2. El Hatillo Cultural Center. This cultural center in Caracas offers a platform for emerging musicians and hosts live performances, jam sessions, and cultural festivals that showcase the diversity of Venezuelan music. 3. Annual Joropo Festival. Experience the energy and passion of Joropo at the annual Joropo Festival, where musicians, dancers, and enthusiasts come together to celebrate this beloved genre. 4. Barlovento Drumming. Visit the region of Barlovento, known for its vibrant drumming traditions, and witness the rhythmic beats of Afro-Venezuelan drum ensembles that captivate audiences with their infectious energy. 5. Simón Bolívar Symphony Orchestra. Attend a concert by the world-renowned Simón Bolívar Symphony Orchestra, an ensemble that emerged from the El Sistema program and has gained international acclaim for its exceptional performances. 6. Cuatro Festival. Immerse yourself in the captivating sounds of the cuatro, a four-stringed instrument central to Venezuelan music, at the annual Cuatro Festival, featuring concerts, workshops, and exhibitions. 7. National Folk Dance Company. Witness the artistry and grace of traditional Venezuelan dance at performances by the National Folk Dance Company, showcasing the cultural diversity and traditions of the country through movement and music. 8. The Maracaibo Symphony Orchestra. Enjoy the enchanting melodies of the Maracaibo Symphony Orchestra, renowned for their interpretations of classical and Venezuelan compositions. 9. Folk Music Museums. Explore museums dedicated to preserving and showcasing the history and instruments of Venezuelan folk music, such as the Museo de los Llanos in Barinas and the Museo de la Música Popular in Caracas. 10. Street Music Festivals. Wander the streets of Venezuelan cities during street music festivals, where you can encounter impromptu performances by talented musicians showcasing a variety of genres and styles. 11. The Batuta Youth Orchestras. Experience the energy and talent of young Venezuelan musicians as they perform in the Batuta Youth Orchestras, a network of ensembles that nurture musical excellence and provide opportunities for aspiring musicians. 12. La Casa Amarilla. Visit this historic cultural center in Caracas, which hosts a variety of musical events, including live performances, jam sessions, and workshops, featuring both traditional and contemporary Venezuelan music. In summary, Venezuela's musical traditions are a testament to the country's rich cultural heritage. From the rhythmic beats of Joropo to the symphonic harmonies of El Sistema, Venezuelan music is a source of joy, passion, and cultural expression. And now, a poem inspired by the enchanting sounds of Venezuela. In the heart of Venezuela, melodies abound. A symphony of rhythms, a nation's sound. Joropo's lively beats, the plains come alive. With harp, cuatro, and maracas, the music thrives. El Sistema's legacy, a harmonious dream. Empowering the young, a vibrant theme. Salsa's fiery embrace, a dance floor ignite. Venezuelan flavor, shining bright. Serenata Guayanesa, their voices unite. Weaving tales of nature, a pure delight. Drums of Barlavento, resounding and strong. Afro-Venezuelan rhythms, a cultural song. Teresa Carreño's piano keys, a magical spell. Classical melodies, where emotions dwell. The symphony's crescendo, Simón Bolívar's pride. Soaring notes that reach far and wide. Cuatro strings plucked with skill and grace. Echoing the spirit of Venezuela's embrace. Folk dances in vibrant hues, telling stories untold. Preserving traditions, a legacy to behold. In museums and festivals, the music finds its home. Where history and innovation beautifully enthrone. From the streets to the concert halls, the music roams free. Uniting hearts, inspiring dreams for all to see. As we conclude this crash course on Venezuela's musical treasure, may its melodies and rhythms bring you boundless pleasure. Discover the magic, immerse yourself in the sound, and let Venezuelan music forever astound. *****. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and may your journeys be filled with music and wonder.